Hello everyone, thank you all for being here. My name is Saver Lin. I'm very glad to have this opportunity to share the information about leveraging cloud computing via Moldex3D Cloud-Connect. Here is today's outline. First, I will introduce Moldex3D Cloud-Connect and explain the scenarios for using it. Next, I will mention the various products of Moldex3D Cloud-Connect corresponding to different cloud platforms. Next, I will use Moldex3D GCP Connect to instantly deploy a Windows computing cluster on the Google Cloud platform and submit a Moldex3D job. Finally, the Q&A. The first part, what is Moldex3D Cloud-Connect and why is it needed? Moldex3D Cloud-Connect is a set of tools for quickly deploying Moldex3D Windows clusters on the cloud. When an enterprise plans to establish an on-premise Moldex3D Windows cluster, in addition to purchasing hardware, operating systems, and related software, it also needs relevant technical personnel to install the operating system and software for each computer in the cluster, and to configure the network. When new hardware comes out in the future, the same process needs to be done again to migrate the computing cluster to the new hardware. When there are temporary large project analysis needs, the existing on-premise computing cluster scale may not be able to quickly process these projects. Therefore, a large amount of hardware may be purchased at this time. But after this large resources demanding period, the hardware utilization rate may be very low. This will result in a waste of resource costs. In this situation, Moldex3D Cloud-Connect is a good alternative. It can deploy the Moldex3D Windows cluster on the cloud within 40 minutes. After the deployment is completed, the jobs can be submitted for analysis. When this computing cluster is no longer needed, it can be deleted immediately. After deletion, the cloud platform will not charge any fees. When a new virtual machine type is launched on the cloud platform, you can immediately update the configuration profile and redeploy to get a computing cluster composed of the latest hardware.